What's the deal, man? If you can tell by the title of this video, for the next 24 hours, you can get access to my couch flipping guide for only $25, man. So I know a lot of y'all looking to add an extra income source, whether you want to replace your job or just, add an extra side hustle. This flipping couches to profit course or the guide, whatever you want to call it, is the perfect solution, man. So only flipping 4 couches, if you could flip 4 couches a week on average, let's say a $250 profit, you're looking at $1,000 plus per week. And if you could do this full time, like imagine you, because me, I only do it on the weekends and I rent pickup trucks. So just imagine you do this every single day. I can, right now I'm in the process of getting my own pickup truck, so I can do this every day. And, sky's the limit at that point. So for those that's interested, like I said, the course is only $25, man. It comes with, it's almost 25 videos in here. I believe the exact number is 22. Pretty much step by step showing you how to get this all the way up and running, tools you're gonna need. The course comes with the private student group, lifetime access. Let me scroll down, make sure I ain't forgetting nothing. Case studies, done a few templates, free updates, lifetime access, all the good stuff, man. Y'all know the deal. How to set up all my other courses, same thing here. This is probably the most actionable course or side hustle there is on the internet today, man. So if you're interested in that, click the link on or around this video, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.